In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reco in Zoho Books. Bank reconciliation, or bank reco, is the process of comparing your bank statement with the transactions recorded in Zoho Books so your balances stay accurate and any discrepancies are caught early. Before we begin, have your bank statement handy, especially the start date, end date, and the closing balance for the period you want to reconcile. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. Once your Zoho Books dashboard loads, navigate to the left side menu and click Banking. This opens a list of your connected accounts and their recent activity, making it easy to choose where you want to work. Scroll down until you see the specific bank account you want to reconcile, then click that bank. Inside the account view, look toward the top right for the small gear icon and click it. From the options that appear, select Reconcile Account to open the reconciliation window. Before starting the actual reconciliation, it helps to narrow the transactions you'll compare with your statement. Use the available fields to select the date, the expense amount, the general amount, and the amount is conditioned so the list reflects exactly what your statement covers. This is essentially setting your filters to mirror your statement period and figures, which reduces noise and makes the next steps faster and cleaner. When those filters look correct, click Reconcile Now. Now enter the statement details, select the start date and end date to match your statement period, then type in the closing balance exactly as it appears on the statement. Be precise with currency and decimals, and make sure you're not including pending or uncleared items that haven't posted yet. A quick double check of dates and amounts here saves time later by preventing false differences. Click Start Reconciliation. Zoho Books will display the transactions for that period. Review the list and confirm that the amounts and dates align with the statement. As you verify what cleared in the bank, you should see the difference move towards zero and the cleared total match your closing balance. If something doesn't line up, revisit the period or amount filters you set earlier so the on-screen data mirrors your statement exactly. When everything matches and you're confident the totals are accurate, click Reconcile to finalize. Zoho Books records that reconciliation for the selected period, helping keep your books audit ready and ensuring your cash position reflects reality. And that's how to complete a bank reco in Zoho Books quickly, clearly, and with confidence.